Hello guys, good morning. Today I am gonna show you how to interface SPI segment LCD with Nuvoton M0 microcontrollers. I have a segment SPI based LCD. This is 5-wire interface, MOSI, slave select, clock, VCC and ground. So you can see here the flow of code. I am taking care of a BSP example SPI level 1 SPI flash. This is the code flow you can see here. Here I have defined SPI module. MOSI being connected is PA0, clock is connected PA2 and slave select is connected to PA3. This is SPI initialization function, and here start SPI we have call a slave select pin as 0 and SPI PA3 equal to 1 active high. So this is the SPI transfer function you can see here. Now you can see here HT1621 initialization function file, and when start the communication calling start SPI PS3 is connected to 0 active low, then we have sent some address and SPI transfer function some more. So this is the some data display on the module LCD. And compile this code. Compilation successfully, and you can here to download the file. File is downloaded and you can see the output on display. This is the character which I have display on the LCD. Thank you for watching.